Video, I'm going to try Dana White's 86-hour water fast. Now when he spoke on TikTok about his 86-hour water fast, it pretty much blew up. He did misspeak in the beginning where he said it was a 7-day fast. It's really not. It's 86 hours, which is about 3.5 days. He started on a Saturday night, finished up on Wednesday morning. I'm going to do a similar thing. It's Sunday night around 7:30 p.m. What I'm going to be doing is I have a couple of these gallons of spring water from Walmart. I just have them here in the house. I'm going to use up these two and then I'm just going to refill them with tap water. And then what you can also drink is bone broth. And I'm going to show you up close the bone broth that you're going to want to use if you want to do this water fast. So let's go ahead, jump on the scale, see where I'm at. I'm just going to see if I can do this and how much weight I actually lose. 20.4 bone broth that I'll be drinking along with the spring water. Now this is 100% grass-fed and finished beef bones. You can see right here, it's made by Kettle and Fire. And now for the nutrition facts. Now this is 16.9 ounces. And what you want to see is there's 0 sugar, 0 carbohydrates, and 0 fat. If you take a look at the protein, it's got 19 grams of protein. This is bought at my local Costco. So if you guys want to pick this up, this is where I got it. But it's going to be drinking this twice a day, 2 cups, along with the spring water. Now I heard about fasting years ago. George St. Pierre used to fast twice a year, basically doing the same thing. Now in the TikTok video that Dana put out, he also said that his doctor, Dr.Brecka, said that there's a decreased chance by 70% of getting cancer if you fast. Now in the video, he didn't say how many times a year. But what I've read on the internet, certain people say, if you do this twice a year, it decreases your chances of illness and cancer. So I'm just doing it to see if I can get it done. 86 hours with no solid food, and just to see how much weight I lose. So let's see what happens. So every night around 8 p.m., which will be every 24 hours, I'm going to let you guys know how I felt throughout the day and how the water fast is going. As Dana lifted up his shirt, might as well show mine. There's my stomach. So we got something to compare to at the end of this fasting plan. It's Monday night, 8 p.m., so I've got 24 hours completed. All I drank was the spring water, drank about 1.5 gallons today. Now, food cravings. They were horrible this morning. I was extremely hungry until probably about 2 p.m., and then it seemed to kind of taper off. Now I drank a lot of water in the morning to try to keep my stomach full. That didn't really help any. Basically extremely hungry till about 2 p.m. Then it kind of tapered off and then kind of come back around 6-7 p.m. when I normally eat supper. I just kept on drinking water. It's now 8 p.m. So let's go jump on the scale. I'm guessing maybe I lost 3 pounds. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? We'll go ahead and jump on the scale and see if you're correct. 218.2 pounds. I have some of that bone broth. I'm going to warm it up on the stove. I'm going to add a little salt to it and just sip it. So it is Tuesday night at 8 p.m. and I have 48 hours complete. Now I did have bone broth today for lunch, and without that I think this would have been a little bit harder. Now in the morning around 9-10 a.m. I did start feeling some leg cramps. So I think the salt and the bone broth pretty much took care of that. So by 2 p.m. that kind of went away. I can tell you I did have an extremely bad headache all day today. I did take 2 Advil, but that didn't really do anything. I didn't want to take any more because I'm committed to just water and bone broth. So I don't know if maybe what I've read, they're saying that some of the toxins are kind of released out of your body. They get into your bloodstream, they cause headaches. Well, whether or not that's true, all I can tell you is today was extremely bad headache all day long. It's there just a little bit right now, but not too bad. Tuesday night, 8 p.m., 48 hours complete. Time to go jump on the scale. 217.6. Day night, 8 p.m., so I have 72 hours completed. They'll just talk about the day. Pretty bad headache still all day long. The leg cramps didn't come back. After I started drinking the bone broth, the leg cramping pretty much went away. Now, I really like the bone broth, heat it up, and then sip on it really slowly. it gives you a little more of a satisfied feeling, I guess. So as far as just the headaches for today, headaches were pretty bad still. Other than that, not too bad. My appetite's pretty much gone. I'm really not even hungry at all. So let's go jump on the scale and see where I'm at. So 213.6. So tomorrow morning, Thursday, 10:30 a.m., I'll have my 86 hours complete. After that, I'll be able to give you a little bit more of an opinion on how this water cleanse feels compared to a juice cleanse. I've done the 3, 5, and 7-day juice cleanses, and this is really my first water cleanse I've ever done. Thursday morning, 11 a.m., so I went just a hair over 86 hours. So I'm curious to see what my total weight loss is. I'm going to go jump on the scale. 112 pounds. So a total weight loss of about 8 pounds. If there's any difference in my stomach, now for a recap, this was an 86-hour water cleanse. All I drank was water and bone broth from Sunday night to Thursday morning around 11 a.m. No exercise at all. There was probably 2 days where if I would have exercised, it would have just killed me. I would have probably just kneeled down on the ground and gave up. Energy level was very, very low throughout this. Now, if I compare this to the 3 or 5-day juice cleanse, I would say this one is a little bit easier as far as you don't really have much appetite. When I do the juice cleanses, there is some sugar in that juice, so after 2.5 hours or so, you do kind of crave something to drink, something to eat, where I didn't really have those cravings with this water cleanse. So total weight loss was about 8 pounds. Do I think that was worth it? No. But according to Dr. Brecka and Dana White, doing this like twice a year will reduce your chance of cancer by 70%. Who knows? Is that worth it? Yes, absolutely. So if you want to just try something that will maybe help you health-wise, this isn't a bad deal at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.